Hey guys, it's Bill, and today I want to share with you guys an interesting simple geometry problem that I found. So here's the problem. The circle centered at the point 2, -1, and with the radius 4 intersects the circle centered at the point 2, 5, with the radius √10 at points A and B. Find AB squared. So this is how we solve the problem. Here I've drawn a rough sketch of how the two circles should look, with the first circle centered at the point 2, -1, and this with a radius of 4, and the second circle with the center of 2, the point 2, 5, with a radius of √10. So now let's start solving this problem. So let's start by writing the equations of the two circles. So let's start with the circle that has a center at the point 2, -1. So x minus 2 squared plus y plus 1 squared. You see, these are the opposite of the x and y values. And then we can square the radius 4 to get 16. Let's do the same thing for the second circle with the point 2, 5. So x minus 2 squared plus y minus 5 squared. Square the √10 and we get 10. Okay, and now we can simplify that by subtracting the second equation from the first. So we get y plus 1 squared minus y minus 5 squared, which is equal to 6. And then we need to simplify that out. Y squared plus 2y plus 1 minus y squared plus 10y minus 25 equals to 6. And then now we need to do is just simplify that. And once simplified, we will get 12y minus 24 to 6, and 12y is equal to 30. So y is equal to 5 over 2. Okay, so now we've solved for y. We need to plug that in to find the x values. So we substitute that into, so we can substitute y equals 5, 2 into the circle equations. Let's do that to the first. We get x minus 2 squared plus 5 over 2 plus 1 squared is equal to 16. We get x squared minus 4x plus 4 plus 5, 2. So 5 over 2 plus 1 is equal to 7 over 2. So plus 49 over 4 is equal to 16. And then now, once you simplify that, we would actually get x minus 2 squared is equal to 15 over 4. Okay, and so thus we find that x minus 2 is equal to, by square rooting both sides, we get that it is square root 15 over 2, because square root of 4 is 2, and the square root of 15 is √15. Okay, now we just need to add 2 to both sides to isolate the variable, and we get that x is equal to 2 plus minus √15 over 2. So now that we've found the x values, we just need to find AB squared. Okay, so since the difference between A and B is the difference between the x coordinates, we get that 2 plus √15 over 2 minus 2 minus √15 over 2, and 2 minus 2 is 0. √15 over 2 plus √15 over 2, we get the answer to be √15. After we get the answer of √15, AB squared, since we found AB, but we haven't finished the problem yet, so squaring the root of 15, √15, we get the answer to be 15. And there we go. We've solve the problem. So there you guys go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to submit any ideas, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll see you guys next time.